Hello all and welcome once again. Python is one of the strongest programming language nowadays. It is currently being used in developing a lots of web applications as well as mobile phone applications. So in this video I will tell you in detail how you can learn Python. First of all, before learning Python, you must install Python in your system. And here's the website python.org from where you can download the this software. And after downloading, so you can learn Python and just practice side by side by using the software. Here is how you can download this software. From here, when you click download, from here you can find out the link download for Windows. Just click Python 3.10.2. This is the current Python version available online. It will take just few minutes to get downloaded. After you have downloaded the Python and run the setup, just come here to this website pythontutorial.net. This is complete Python learning tutorial available for you all, and you can learn Python from scratch by using this tutorial website. There are links available, and here you can click all the links. First of all, you can get started with Python programming, and here also there are sublinks. What is Python, and installing Python, and setting the VS Code for Python, and then developing the Hello World program. You can just explore this website and start learning from this website. Again, in Python basics, you can see that all the fundamental things, syntax, variables, strings, numbers, and all the things are available here. You can learn. When you scroll down this website, you can check out the operators, comparison operators, logical operators, similarly if else statement, and the loop statements, functions. All the syntax of this language is stated here. You can learn all the syntax of language from this website. Again, here Python object oriented programming you can learn by this link. You can open it. Here is object oriented programming detail available, and you can learn by just clicking the links. You can go into this links, and you can check the coding from here. You can learn it, and is a description also written with these codes. Similarly, you can learn advanced Python programming from here, and these are the advanced topics regarding Python language. You can just click these links and find out the uh, codes and explanations. So this vast amount of information regarding Python programming in this tutorial website. You can check and explore all the this whole website, and I think this is one of the best website available to learn Python, and the tutorials are I think complete tutorial regarding Python language. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to hit the like button. Just stay tuned for my upcoming video. Till then, bye bye.